Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. In this video, we're going to take a look at a problem that I've been having with the S Pen that came with my Note 8. So a brief history is that this S Pen broke from here a few months back, probably 1.5 months back, and it was not due to force or anything. It just broke so easily from here, and I have noticed a lot of people complaining about this, and there are videos out there that the S Pen of the Note 8 breaks from here very easily. So I guess this is a design flaw or something like that from Samsung. I'm not really sure, but for me it broke, and then for the first time I just glued it together very carefully, and it was working for another 20 days or something, and then obviously it broke again. The second time when I glued it back together, this stopped working because the glue got into that mechanism where this clicking thing happens inside. So basically this S Pen is useless, and I tried inserting it back and taking it out of the S Pen slot, and it did get stuck, but I somehow managed to take it out, so I'm not taking that risk again. And I contacted Samsung via their online chat. They sent me to a website to buy the S Pen, and the product was just not available over there. So pretty bad customer service from Samsung, which was expected, but I thought in Canada at least it would be better. So what I did is I went to Amazon Canada and just ordered an S Pen. I did not get the black color, but at least I got a replacement S Pen for a pretty reasonable cost. So I do use my S Pen a lot, and I didn't want this slot to be empty because water and dust can get inside, even though the phone is still waterproof without the S Pen inside it, but still it doesn't really look good. And obviously the functionality of the S Pen is lost. So this S Pen is still functional, but it does not go into the slot because it will get stuck, so I don't want to use it. So I ordered this, and I have already opened this to just check it, but I will just unpack it for you again. So this is a Korean version, so it does, I guess they imported from Korea, and it is not a North American version, but it is, everything is written in English. So there is a tape here. It looks pretty authentic. It doesn't look like a normal seal or anything like a tape anybody has put. It looks pretty authentic. And there is a third one also over here. So let's just open it up, and I'll show you the what is written on the back after I remove this tape. So this is what is written. So best handwriting and drawing tool, 4096 pressure levels, and there is some sticker from Amazon over here, and something is written under it, I guess the part number or something like that. So let's just open it up. So you get the S Pen, and you get extra S Pen tips and the removal tool, and just one documentation, and I guess this is in the Korean language. So that is it. The packaging looks authentic, and here is the S Pen. So it functions as good as the original pen. I have checked it before, and this is the gray color, and what came originally with my phone was the black color. Black was not available, and in future if it is available I would like to get the black one, and but for now this will do the job. And let's see if it fits the phone. It goes in, and yes, it does. And I actually like this silver finish over the black finish on the black one, so that's kind of nice, and it works properly. The clicking feel is also pretty good. I hope this one doesn't break, but if it does, there's always an option to buy another one. And trust me guys, like if you have broken your S Pen, you would know that it just happened. A slight amount of force over here and it will break. Even if you're playing with your S Pen and you just happen to put a little bit of force, it will break, and that's what happened with me. So the tips can be replaced easily, and it functions as good as an S Pen. Let me write something over here. So the brightness of the phone is a little low. So let me open the S Note app and show you how it works. So it works pretty well. It works as good as the original S Pen. So let me draw a line with the original one and the replacement one. So I found the functionality absolutely similar to the old one. So I hope this video helped you out guys. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. The link for this product will be in the description. If you want to buy, you can buy it from there. You can choose the color according to your phone, and whatever is available you can order it. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.